The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 versus the Michelin Primacy 5. Two premium tires, one question. Should you go for the UHP performance or stick with the refined touring comfort? Let's break it down. Quick note, these results come from a separate test, the Aftenbladet for the Primacy 5 and the Autobild 2025 for the Pilot Sport 5. We aligned them by assuming consistent premium Contact 7 performance and minimal impact from size differences. In the wet, it's surprisingly close. The Primacy 5 actually brakes 1% better than the Pilot Sport 5, thanks to its updated compound. But when it comes to wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 reclaimed the edge with sharper grip, 3% better agility. And aquaplaning, the Primacy 5 shines again, with a 3% advantage in straight line resistance. When it comes to drive, here's where the Pilot Sport 5 reminds us who's boss. It stops 8% shorter in dry braking. That's a clear-cut UHP win. On the other hand, the Primacy 5 counters with incredible durability, 37% better mileage than the Pilot Sport 5. That's a huge deal for drivers clocking high annual mileage or using their car for daily commutes. How about rolling resistance? Another win for Primacy, with a 10% advantage translating to better fuel efficiency and lower CO2 emissions. Now, here's the twist. The Primacy 5 is actually 3% more expensive than the Pilot Sport 5. Possibly due to its recent launch and upgraded compound, the touring tire commands a slight premium despite not being a UHP tire. So which tire should you pick? If you want sharp, dry grip and driving fun, go for the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. If you need efficiency, durability and wet safety, then the Michelin Primacy 5 is your winner. Both are Michelin, both are excellent, but your driving needs, that's what decides.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.